This wig is called Airfluff, and it does feature a higher density, but this wig is not heavy. It doesn't weigh you down, and it has so much flow. It comes already pre-cut with layers. I'm going to apply that to the hair, and then I'm grabbing a hair wax stick. I'm going to carefully apply that to the hairline and then use my pressing comb to smooth that product through.